Today, we're combining two of our favorite things, homemade chili and mac and cheese.
Every bowl of yumminess is pure comfort food.
And why not make it fun and top it with a little chopped cilantro?
After one bite, you'll clap your hands and say, "Call me Chili Mac."
Yes, you will, and that's what you did. I now call him Chili Mac.
Call the Chili Mac.
Come on,
Call
Chili
the
Mac. Okay, this is so much fun, so easy. It's one of those weeknight winter meals that we know you guys
the
love.
whole family will love.
Everyone loves, and it's so easy. Okay, and it's very adaptable to your taste. So I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and this is a cup of chopped onion. Any of this you can omit, you can change, whatever you want.
We've been making versions of this for
since
years.
childhood.
Yeah.
This is 1 red bell pepper that I chopped. You can use green bell pepper. If you don't like bell peppers, just leave it out. This is 1 a fresh jalapeno that I seeded. I took those seeds out, so it's not going to be spicy. But if you want to do like pickled jalapenos, that's good. Anyway, this is sort of just the basis of our homemade chili.
This is one of my favorite dishes because it's just so, I don't know.
It's so comforting.
It's comforting,
it's
heartwarming, and it's cheesy.
It's super, we know you love that. Okay, so we're gonna let this cook for just a few minutes till it gets nice, soft, and translucent, and we just keep on going. Okay, it's been just a few minutes and these have gotten nice and soft. They'll continue to soften as we cook it with the meat. This is 3 cloves of garlic that I've minced. Again, you could just use garlic powder. This is one of those meals that we like to throw at you guys every now and then because we know everyone, many of you like just a very simple, easy meal that you can do quickly.
Yeah, you don't spend hours in front of the stove.
And it's just homey and comforting. It's kind of like our homemade hamburger helper, that sloppy Joe casserole.
Yes, or our taco or Tex-Mex pasta.
Tex-Mex pasta and our weeknight stroganoff. Okay, now we're gonna
got some beef.
We got some beef. Just
how much is that?
That's a pound of ground beef. I go with 90% lean. We're gonna drain off the excess grease anyway. But
we've made this with turkey. Before as well.
Yeah, and this is also while we're talking about it. It's so if you have a big batch of chili and you have a lot left over, you can you've already got your chili, and then you just throw the cheese and the mac.
That's not possible at our house.
I know we never have leftover.
Eat that chili.
I know it's so good.
It's gone.
You could really, if you're not hearing me say this, but I've never done this, but if you've got your favorite purchased chili, I guess canned. I know. I'm just saying.
Take it back.
I strike that. Anyway, okay, we're going to cook this until it's no longer pink. Okay, so I cook this until it's no longer pink. It's going to render some grease, and what I do is I just tilt the pan to the side, kind of trying to scoot the meat off to the side, and then I start the process of just spooning as much out as I can into a little bowl, and then I finish it off with a paper towel just to absorb the excess grease. And that's that. And then we'll discard of it safely later. Okay, now I've got some seasonings to really start to make this taste like chili. This is 2 tablespoons, these are 2 heaping tablespoons of chili powder, and this is 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. We get our chili powder from a spice company here in Fort Worth, Texas, called Pendry's, and we're not associated with them in any way, and so we're not plugging them other than to say that we just think they are the best. We've got a link.
They are great.
It's the kind of chili, it's just really flavorful. It's not overly spicy at all. It is just it makes the best chili we've ever had. Okay, so now we're gonna let those flavors kind of blossom a little bit.
I love it.
It smells so good.
So good. What about these guys?
We're gonna do that now.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to help.
So we've got, that's
8 ounces. Tomato sauce.
Okay.
Just canned tomato sauce.
Yeah.
And
then we got some actual tomatoes.
We've got some diced tomatoes. Go ahead. That's a 14.5 ounce can of fire roasted tomatoes. I just love the fire roasted, but any kind of, you could go with fresh tomatoes too. And now we're going to add 3 cups of good quality beef broth. Now, if you were going to just do your chili just like this, it's going to be a little on the thin side for what we would call
a bowl of chili.
For classic chili, yeah. It will, as it cooks, it will thicken up a little bit. But what's going to happen is.
Go ahead.
Are you directing?
Well, no, I'm about ready to say something, but I'll let you talk first.
Well, what were you going to say?
Notice no beans in this.
Oh, but you can add beans if you like. Yeah, I know.
We're Texans. We don't like beans in our chili.
He is a stickler for the beans, so I like the beans.
It's just filler.
But it's good. Anyway, this is pasta. This is just your good old standard elbow macaroni. This is 2 cups. And what's going to happen is that is going to absorb this amazing flavor.
Yes, one pot, people, one pot.
Yeah, and exactly. And this is a one-pot wonder. And what's going to happen is that it's going to naturally just make this sauce thicken up somewhat, and it's going to be amazing. Okay, we're going to bring this to a strong simmer, and then we're going to cover it, and it only cooks for like 10 minutes, and then, guys, we're almost ready.
Yes.
Oh, the smell, I tell you,
good.
It smells so great. Okay, look at
All
that.
right, here, you want to put it right down in there?
Put it here. Okay, beautiful.
I got cheese.
We've got cheese.
We've got 2 separate ones.
We've got 3 cups of cheese. You can do it all at once, but I'd like to have a topping of cheese. So then this is. I just got a block of cheddar, and I like to just shred it on the box grater or with your food processor attachment. It's just the bag shredded is fine. It's just they add additives so it doesn't stick, and I think you just get a creamier texture. Doesn't that look? I know.
I'm dying.
I know. And you can see this makes a nice, good amount. It feeds a hungry family, and leftovers are spectacular. Okay, let's go ahead and.
So we like to sprinkle some on top and then let it just melt.
Let it melt.
And everybody loves to see that. Melted cheese. Look at that.
Okay.
Help me.
Well,
Help me.
Yes, and it just melts on its own. I mean, you could, if you wanted to, you could stick this in the oven to kind of help expedite it, but it doesn't take long for this to get nice and melty. Just a few minutes, and then, look at that, and then it's time to dig in.
Y'all.
And just like that, dinner is served.
That is some, you know what? Call me Chili Mac.
Hello, Chili Mac. And that looked wonderful. I'm telling you, it's so... and it's just so comforting.
That
and
is great.
Such a hit
fill me up.
with the kids. Oops, I spilled a little. That looked great.
Of course you did.
This is one of become one. Oh, well, if you would help me a little bit.
What am I supposed to do?
Oh boy. That is pure comfort. And
that is great.
Like I said, just for the fun of it, you don't have to do this. But top it with a little cilantro. That looks amazing.
I'm dying.
I'm so happy.
That is so good looking.
I know. I love it. It's all nice and saucy. Kind of like you.
Yeah.
Cheesy and saucy.
Let's get that where everybody can see it.
Okay, now I'm going to hit this with a little cilantro.
Oh, Chris.
Wow.
That looks so good. All right.
It's a one-pot wonder.
You guys look at that.
Serve this with maybe a little cornbread, and you have got, oh boy.
Wow. 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 All right, I'm going to shut up and talk and eat.
That's a good idea.
Hot.
It's the best of both worlds. You got chili and mac and cheese.
Oh.
And you didn't even have to make mac and cheese from scratch.
Oh. Sorry.
So
a lot of
cheesy.
racket over here.
Yeah. Man.
I want this every night for the rest of my life.
Dinner solved.
Y'all.
What?
This is. It's 1,000,000% Luna proof, but I keep saying that for everything.
Wow.
It's so good.
I didn't think this was going to be a million.
It's the chili and the mac and cheese
I know.
and the.
And it's just so easy, and it's so. I hope you guys like it. It's nothing like over the top fancy. It's just down home good.
Look at that, you guys.
Fabulous.
I think we need to go before I make a fool of myself.
Well, maybe too late. Okay, we love you so much, guys.
Yay! Call me Chili Mac. Call me Chili Mac.
Chili Mac.